Oh man, I might get lost.
It's 2:50 a.m. and I have no idea why I can't sleep. Good night, buddy. These headphones look like they do a lot, but they actually surprisingly don't do anything. He seems more tired than me. Situations that exceed the limit of the noise cancellation. It's not a big deal. I'm just happy someone's having fun. I wonder what he's dreaming about. I'm happy he's happy. He seems tired. I totally don't care that you're snoring. It's fine. Did you have a good day? I had a good day too. You know when you start the day with a bad decision, like, oh, I don't need my jacket today. It's gonna be warm and sunny because yesterday was warm and sunny. And I didn't even eat breakfast, so an empty stomach is an empty mind. And an empty mind is open for business. You know, you never know who you're gonna run into in Toronto. And when I say run into, I mean run into. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought, no jacket day?
Yeah, it's actually really cold.
Okay, that feels so much better. I can't believe I was walking around with just a sweater on. You know, layers are important. It's like a layer cake. It's better the more layers there is. That's why people like layer cake so much, because the more layers, the better.
What about layer dip?
Oh, layer dip, 7-layer dip. People love that stuff.
We're looking for retail space, and we've now got a new friend. The only challenge is he doesn't understand the time delay around blogging.
Because you had told me you wanted creative office space, so
Yes.
let's go take a look at it.
Okay.
Okay, we're walking around this building, but I got the yellow one. I don't know why.
The last thing you want to do is have...
It's a great space.
So we'll go buy it, and then we're also looking at the fur place, right?
How can I explain this?
You can't. Can you explain, if you look down, why I'm wearing white shoes on the construction site?
Running low on energy with this guy, but mostly this guy. At Little Nicky's,
Yep.
which is your recommendation for a coffee spot in Toronto.
Yes. Salut.
Salut.
Yes, salut. Yeah, cheers to that, man.
Thank you.
You guys are gonna wave, and then
I don't get to travel with my daughters as much as I want to. Don't get me wrong, I brought them to, you know, different parks around our house and even to Vancouver. Brought them to Edmonton once. They have no idea what Toronto is or where it is or what it's all about. I feel bad that they don't get to go with me to Toronto or even experience it all. And I want them to experience Toronto a little bit. I'm gonna experience Toronto for you. This is dedicated to you.
When life and love are torn apart, when happy endings fail to start, life goes off and on. I feel you here when I know you're gone. Every time I hear a Beatles song, all you need is love. All you need is love, love, love. Pretty rings and pretty things left behind, you left behind. All your friends and family you left behind, you left behind.